GLAR has updated many of the input forms, and these include residential, commercial, multifamily, and vacant land. And I'm going to quickly go through some of the changes on the residential input form for 2021. Yes, we are in the process of getting these uploaded to .loop, and it might take a week. But just so you know, they are being currently created by .loop, so we can have that ready for everybody. So this is the form. Some of the fields will look the same. Let's quickly go through this. The majority of the changes are going to be between pages 3 and 7. So you can see page 1 is similar, page 2 is similar. When we start on page 3 and we scroll down, we notice that appliances has a lot of extra features. These Energy Star quality dishwasher, Energy Star quality freezer, a lot of features that have been added. If we go to laundry features, look at all these choices for laundry. Is it in the common area? Is it in the hall? Is there a laundry chute? If we scroll down, we can see lot features. What is the yard like? Are there many trees? What about native plants? Is it on or near the golf course? Is it a pie-shaped lot or a rectangular-shaped lot? If we go to the right, we can see the exterior features have also been added. We've got a few more. Outdoor shower. Are there rain gutters? Is there an awning or a boat slip? You can see too that flooring has been added with a lot of extra features like bamboo. Is it sustainable, stamped, slate, painted or stained, and linoleum? Basement has a few extras, not too many. Let's go to the next page, page 4. You can see when we look at parking features, there are a ton of additional features that are in here. Fencing, a lot of extra features we didn't have before. Interior features, a lot of interior features we didn't have before. Look at all of this. Fireplace. Is it a freestanding fireplace? Does it have a blower fan? Is it decorative or circulating? Is it double-sided or factory built? Lots of choices for fireplace. And electric. What are the amps and the volts? You can choose that. Again, these are not required fields. You'll notice it's not underlined or bolded, and it's not a required field. I'm just showing you these extra features, even though they're optional. Some of them are optional. Swimming pool features. Look at all these choices right here as well. We've got spa features too. Water and sewer have been added, just a few. And utilities, just a few added. Next page, if we scroll down, heating. Got a ton of features added for heating and cooling right down here. These are required fields and have been required. Now there's extra choices you can choose from. If we keep scrolling down, you'll see similar fields as well. The view, beach, downtown, neighborhood, pasture, rural, trees. Is there a skyline? Let's go to page 6, Condo Association Amenities. Look at all of these features you can choose from. Community features, which was similar to being there before. Accessibility features, we've got a lot more to choose from. And then if we go to page 7, I'm going to zoom out and you can see what they've done with page 7 if they've just given you more boxes to add. Again, not a lot of space, but at least they've given you some more boxes.